What's up guys, Vu the Voyager here. So today we got a special unboxing of the blue iPhone 13. This is my first time getting the latest iPhone when it just comes out, so I figured I'd make an unboxing video. We'll take a look at the new blue iPhone 13, talk about how I got my iPhone 13 for free, and also talk about why you actually don't need to buy a new power brick. Alright, with that, let's get into it. Alright, so we got the new iPhone 13 blue box here. As you notice, it's a thinner box than the previous models. I'm upgrading from an iPhone XR, so big jump for me. And so the thinner box is because they don't have the power brick included. So let's just start unboxing it. We got the little strips here. We can peel these off to open the box. Ooh. All right, here we go. There it is. iPhone 13 looks very, very nice. All right, let's take it out of the box. Feels pretty good. It actually feels a little bit lighter than my iPhone XR, I think. It might just be because I don't have a case on it yet, but they switched to this paper instead. They used to have the plastic covering, so it'll save the environment. And now one of the best parts of opening a new phone is peeling it off and revealing the screen. Oh yeah. So very nice screen, very nice screen. What else is in the box? So let's do a close-up on the iPhone right here. Oh, you can see me, what's up? I'm filming. Pretty nice. This is probably like my favorite color out of all the new available options for the iPhone 13. My current phone is yellow, so I was a little bit bummed out that they don't have yellow anymore, but the blue color is pretty cool too. So in the box, it comes with the charging cable, comes with the normal paperwork, and then also the white Apple sticker, of course. But yeah, that's about all that comes in the box. You'll notice that the charging cable is the lightning port to the USB-C instead of the USB. So that's what will change from the previous iPhones, where they had the USB that plugged into the power block that they would give you in the case. But this time in the box, no power block. But the good thing is, if you have a MacBook, you can plug this USB-C straight into the MacBook and charge your phone from there. And then we'll go ahead and turn it on and take a look. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this iPhone 13 on for the first time. Let's let it load up here. There we go. We'll let it load a bit. One thing that I did notice in the box, I don't remember when they stopped doing this, but they stopped giving out the dongle that adapts from the lightning port to the aux cable port. Oh, there we go. And they also stopped giving the lightning port headphones. So really, I think Apple just expects everybody to have AirPods by now. So that's kind of a bummer, but still a very nice phone. Check it out, check it out. Hello, hello. Alright, yeah, so here it is, my new blue iPhone 13. I got the just a standard 13 with 128 gigabytes, and I think one of the things I'm most excited about, so it has the 2 camera lenses here. My iPhone XR only has the 1 camera lens, and also on the new iPhone 13s they have the new cinematic video mode. So I film all my videos on my iPhone. I don't have a camera yet, but that is really big for me. So since we're upgrading the video quality, the front-facing camera video quality will be better too. So I think video quality will be going up a little bit on the channel, so make sure you look forward to that. But yeah, all in all, very cool phone. I think, so it's like thickness-wise, I don't really notice a difference. Weight-wise, I don't notice a difference. The little black part at the top where the front-facing camera is a little bit smaller than on the iPhone XR and some previous models. And I heard the battery life on this is actually pretty good too. So how did I get this iPhone 13 for free when it just came out? So I have my plan with Verizon. I had my iPhone XR for about like 2 years. So it was ready for like a trade-in. And so Verizon texted me, they said they had a deal. I could trade in my iPhone XR for up to $800 off the new iPhone 13. And so this iPhone 13, the standard one, is $800. So save myself some money, save myself some $800. So I traded in my iPhone XR to get the iPhone 13 pre-ordered for free. If you wanted to get the iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max, then you basically just take $800 off whatever that price is. So that was pretty clutch by Verizon. Got the iPhone 13 for free, no complaints there, always about saving money. And now let's talk about something that isn't widely advertised by Apple, because obviously Apple is a company trying to make money. So like we discussed, they don't have the power block in here that is compatible with the new USB-C cord. But since the lightning port is still the same, you can still use your old power block and cord from your previous iPhone. So I know like people who have been on Team iPhone for a while, you probably have a bunch of power blocks, a bunch of power cords. It will still work. I'll show you that right here. Right, so we got the iPhone 13 here, right? And this is the old charger with the USB head to the lightning port. I'm gonna plug it into my old power block with the USB, right? And the key part here is the lightning port, because the lightning port is what goes into your phone. You just take the lightning port part and you can just plug it into this guy. Boom, and it works. See that? No new power block needed. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. I'm always trying to save some money, so I hope my tips helped you guys also save some money when you're buying the iPhone 13. If you have any suggestions for cases, let me know. I still have to find a case for this guy. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Vu the Voyager, out.